I'm painting.
What are you painting? Do you remember what they're called?
A window shutter.
Yep.
And Monty wanted one of these. But Monty already has some. I don't know where she put them up. We haven't seen them yet.
What's your painting method?
I don't know. I don't have any painting method.
How does that thing work?
You roll it and then it just spreads out. I'm gonna keep painting.
No, the video will check back in a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Bye. Stop, ow!
Oh, she thought she was...
Hopped up and it scared me.
Oh, it has that on the back. So that makes it softer to walk on.
Got that?
So we don't need that cushiony plastic.
Black bag there.
We're gonna,
Stuff it in there.
this already has the layers on it.
It's a I got this robot.
Oh. That maybe Opa with like a little snack?
Yeah. Here is one.
What do you have? A drink?
Right? We have these at the gas station.
Our daughter Sarah is getting ready to pressure wash the rest of the house. We sprayed this on the house before we pressure washed. This is the new floor, and I will be making a video on how we put it in. It will be coming up soon.
Now that's a good place.
Okay. David has put the backer board on, getting it ready for the tiled backsplash. He's going to be screwing this in today. Oh,
This is just screwing the backer board on.
Oh, you're...
I just put a couple little brad nails in it to hold it up there.
Putting the plastic in.
Actually, I called it plastic, but it's a thick foam. I wonder if there's something we could do with that. The videos that David's really good with repurposing. The matting that we laid down here on the floor to protect it while we're still working came from the underneath our above ground pool. This is what was spread out on the ground that our pool was sitting on. So David cleaned it up and we're using it for this. some mulch around the trees. I'd like to do that too. We'll see if we have time. And these are really growing big. Elephant ears. And then we have this flowering bush. And there's an oak tree, I think. And that big oak tree is perfect for climbing. I hope some kids move in here. I see you.
Little tiny pieces of wire that you can push through a spray paint can. I'm about this.
Is here to save the day.
What is that?
That's Savietta's glass cleaner.
Glass cleaner.
All we needed was a
looks
little
right.
nozzle that has a hole in
Dad,
it. Is that glue?
Yep. So I don't have to put a nail through this teeny little piece.
Oh, but that makes sense. Because you could break it, couldn't you?
Yes.
If you put a nail through it. Oh.
Little thing in, and then pull the trigger.
No,
Okay, ready? Put your hand on.
Oh, he'll
All you
won't
gotta
let
do
you
is
hurt
pull it.
yourself.
Keep your finger
I've
off.
done it, Matilda. It's
All
fine.
right. Go. Go. Flip it this way.
I thought you said put your finger on there. I was like,
No. Go. Go.
oh, it's dead.
Good job.
Some of those are really powerful. Or she likes using a screwdriver too, Josh.
Everybody's telling me so.
It flies like a hummingbird,
How much
right?
is that butterfly?
Wow, it does look like a hummingbird.
Would it hurt us if we catched it?
This is a hummingbird moth.
It was a hummingbird.
I know, it's so pretty.
Aww. It looks like a baby hummingbird. It was gonna get on me. Oh, I need a new one that it hasn't gotten to yet. Here, let me try it. Oh, yes. No, you gotta set it on the flower. Oh, so pretty.
Yeah.
I'm gonna